Hello dear children, today we will continue with the first chapter, Natural Resource, and the subtopic today is water. Children, we know how much water is used and for what purpose it is used in our houses for a whole day. We use it for bathing, for brushing, for washing clothes, washing utensils, mopping the floor, drinking and cooking. Children, we all know that it is impossible for us to spend even a single day without water. We need water. We need to drink 3 to 4 liters of water every day so that all our body functions run smoothly. Our need for water depends on our climate, our daily activity. If we sweat while exercising, we must replace that fluid lost. Thus, we see that water is very important. We cannot survive without water. Look at the distribution of water on the earth. 98% is salt water. It is present in the seas. 2% is fresh water, which is groundwater, ice and water in other forms which are also available for drinking. We cannot use all the water on the earth because sea water is salty. Some water is in frozen state. A very small quantity of water is available for drinking, yet it is enough for all living things. Children, in nature, water occurs in 3 states, that is solid, liquids and gas. It is colorless, tasteless and odorless. Many substances readily dissolve in water, hence water is called as universal solvent. We get water from natural resources such as streams, rivers, ponds, lakes, springs, wells and bore wells to lift groundwater. Apart from this, man has also constructed dams of various sizes on the rivers. He has also constructed bunds. But due to the uncontrolled use of water for an increasing population, industries, farming, due to this there is short in water supply. Water scarcity has become a serious problem. Children, we need to save water. We cannot survive without water. Children, we have studied about water cycle last year. We use water in a large quantity. We have learned that water on earth is regulated through the water cycle. The water vapor formed from oceans is the main source of water. In water cycle, it gets converted into rain, creating fresh water source on earth. Children, we celebrate World Water Day on 22nd March. Always remember, we should use water sparingly. If there is a leakage in water pipe, please call the plumbers and get it repaired immediately. Do not block the water. Let it percolate into the ground. Store water wherever possible.